what's going on the world for this week. See, every time market is consolidating and going upside, consolidating and breaking upside, consolidating and breaking upside in a day. How it bursts, let us see. See this one. Observe. This is the resistance and this is support. Previously, what had happened? The same thing is happening on every day. See, this is resistance. This is support. Every time market is consolidating, breaking upwards. See, breaking upwards. At the same time, see the next zones. See here also. This is the resistance and this is support. See here also the same thing is going. Market is consolidating and breaking upwards. See this resistance. This is support. Market is supporting from here and going upside. Market has a chance to go upside. Chances are going to go upside is more. But at the same time, the market returns. What will happen? We can see in 4 hours. Now I changed the time frame to 4 hours. Now see the time frame in 4 hours. Every time market is rejecting in 4 hours also and going upside. 4 hours also rejecting and going upside. Now see what is happening as per Elliott wave. This is the low from 0, 1, 2 and 3. This is the third position. Now market has to come to the fourth and it must go the fifth wave. Now as per Elliott wave, this is the fourth wave. How we confirm third wave is closed? From the bottom as per the one. See. See here, in Fibonacci extension also, market has reached 1.618 level here. So market has a chance to close the third wave here and return from third wave. The fourth wave must be completed. Then again it go upside. As per my view, it has a chances to go upside like this only. So after conclusion of in 4 hours, now what is happening in 4 hours? In 4 hours, head and shoulders pattern is forming. See here. This is the low, left shoulder, head, bottom, right shoulder, and it must come until this zone and go upside. So market has a chance to come until this zone and go upside. What is the price note? As per the zone 2593 and go upside, market has a chance to come here and go upside. Or otherwise, market has a chance to break from this zone and go upside continuously. This is the zone 2685. These are the two scenarios for this week. So trade safely and go.